You guys know what day it is. It is Aldi haul time. I am so excited to be bringing you some new arrivals this week. They are bringing in gardening finds at Aldi, and if you are hosting for Easter, they have got you covered. They have all the cookware you need to host an Easter dinner. And if you are looking at warming up or cooling down when it comes to exercise, Aldi is bringing in a lot of fashion finds for that as well. And we are starting out in Aldi right in the kitchen section. This is a 3-piece baking storage set. So this is actually made by Crofton. It is dishwasher safe, which I loved seeing, but you can see these are really, really handy for like flour or if you have oats or something like that, and it does come with a scoop. Now, these little bowls, glass bowl set is really, really nice for mixing or even storing things. I love, love, love the price point on this. It's only $14.99, and they do come in this beautiful spring color palette. Now there is another spring collection here, also made by Crofton. It's a large flour serving assortment, so it either comes in a 2-pack of plates or a 2-pack of bowls or a very large serving platter. So that is the options here. They are all $12.99, so you would get 2 of these plates for $12.99, 2 of the bowls for $2.99, or even a serving platter. And you can't cook Easter dinner without some pots and pans. So, of course, Crofton brought in some pastel colored, Easter vibed pots and pans. These are so gorgeous. I love the bronze gold detailing on these. They do have a lid with them, so that is super nice. And man, they are at a great price point of $24.99. So you can get just the standalone one. This one is $24.99, and it's more of that cream color with the gold or the blue. How beautiful are these floral 2-quart cast iron Dutch ovens? Not only are these really, really gorgeous, but they are only $19.99, and they do actually come in several different colors. So they have this red color, they have a pink, they have the blue, and a purple. So lots of different options as far as the color of these, but I think this is a great find for under $20. And they also had these beautiful waffle makers in multiple different colors for $7.99. This is the Ambiano mini waffle maker, but I think this is a great price. It's 550 watts, but just perfect if you are just making them for kids. And then these silicone molds are amazing. I love them because I've talked about them before. They are great space savers, you guys. So if you don't have a lot of room for pots and pans, or like any kind of like cake pans and all of that, these collapse. They're super easy to store and really easy to clean. They are going to be, you can see right here, this little silicone bundt one that has 6 cups. And they're just great for all types of different baking. I love this little speckled pattern silicone baking sheet. So this is great for cookies, but it is freezer safe, dishwasher safe, which I love because we throw everything in the dishwasher at our house. And they had multiple different colors, so you can see the white. They even had this one for a cake, so it's like more of that square pan for baking cakes. And then they also brought in these little utensils, which I think are great for helping you to bake. So the tongs, the little oven mitt tongs, which they've had before, the little scrapers, and even the spatulas. So the silicone baking utensils, these are again really, really great to clean, you guys. I'm just not even going to tell you, it is the best. And those were only $1.99. Now these cups, can we talk about these? Oh my goodness. Each one is super stunning. This is that Adventure Ridge. They are 40 ounces and they are called the Thrush Crusher tumblers. Now they are bringing all the spring and summer vibes. I really, really love this yellow and white. And then even that green and white striped one is really gorgeous, but the yellow and white is screaming my name. You'll have to let me know in the comments below which one you like the most, the purple, the blue, yellow, or green. Now, as far as fashion finds go, Aldi did bring in these Crane travel shirts. So these are really great for like an office undershirt. They had these small through extra large, and they came in both white and black for different options. They are a little see-through, so you would probably have to wear a tank underneath them, but for $12.99, it's a pretty good price. And they also brought in these Crane travel trousers. So these are like really comfortable travel pants. Again, small through extra large. It's got the elastic waistband. and they're just really stretchy. They had a couple of different colors, so they had this more dark colored black, and then they also have blue. Now, these shoes, also made by Crane, are memory foam trainers, and they are, drumroll please, $14.99. I am not even kidding you when I say Aldi nailed this one. Now, the picture on the box is actually a lot pinker than what they are, but they do give this mauve color, which I am in love with. And they brought in the 6-pack of Crane Premium Sport Socks for $7.99, which I absolutely love. They had multiple different colors, or they did have the plain and gray. If you're just looking for a more simplistic sock, and I believe they had, yes, they have black as well, but they did have some that had that mesh material. You can see like the sports trainer socks. And those are really nice when you're running in the summer and just need some breathable socks. Most all of these socks were thin, so they were definitely geared towards spring and summer. So definitely grab some of them. They also had these trainer running tights. These were premium running tights made by Crane. They are $12.99 each, and they pair very well with the shoes that I just showed you, the trainer shoes. But you can see they have the mesh siding on these. They had a green. They also had a black and mauve. They did come in sizes small through XL. And then they had this light colored gray color. But all of them had like the mesh siding, as you can see here, which was nice for just having that breathable material. Next up, they had these Crane Comfort Bra Seamless 2-pack. So you're getting 2. They do have multiple colors in each pack. So this one has like the green and the black mixed together. This one is that black and white, and it is going to be more ribbed, which I do love. And they do have these small through extra large, and they all come with 2 for $9.99. Now, Aldi surprised me because they did bring in a few tools. They had this super glue for $3.99, which is more that gel kind, and they did have this rechargeable LED work light, which I think is really nice. It was a 2000 lumen, and it has the cold and the warm and neutral light options for $12.99. So a great find. And then this Work Zone toolbox. Now this was a really great one. Now this comes in a 3-pack, so you can see it's got the customizable organizer space. They all have the locked side lids, and they all lock together. And so for only $12.99, that was a great option. And then this is another like work light, so you can actually attach it to a table. You could attach it to a bench, but they have the red, pink, and blue, or just the normal white light. Now these little straps are very handy. As you can see, they hold a lot of weight, and they're called rapid storage. These are very nice to have if you're carrying anything heavy. They also had these little hooks here so you can hang stuff up in your garage. But I feel like these were really a good deal, and they were only $4.99. So definitely snag some of those. Now getting into the garden section, this little pop-up right here is going to be for all of your weeds. It is a garden bag for $6.99, and it is collapsible, so it's a nice space saver item. Next up is this garden lined walk-in greenhouse. Now this is $29.99, and it is 4.7 in width, 2.4 in depth, and then 6.4 in height. So depending on how tall you are, 6.4 is pretty good. And I do love this because it does help germinate your seeds and give a good, like really moist, like growing planting area. And for $29.99, you're not really going to beat that. Now for $39.99, they did bring in this little bench, which I really love. This is actually made by the Balavi. So it's Balavi potting bench. It has 3 different tier levels, so you can do all of your potting and kind of like store things underneath, like your extra pots. But it was a really pretty good solid bench. Now these flowers I love. They're $9.99. They come in little bundles like this, but you can actually put them in planters, as you can see on the picture, for display. These are very realistic, and I think these would make great faux like potting plants for your front porch if you're not into doing the real plant thing, which I am one who kills most plants, so I get it. This folding workbench is really nice. So if you are working around your garage or shed, you can unfold this out and pop it up. It's only $24.99, but it's great if you're like cutting wood or if you need to spread something out to paint it, you can get a couple of these. Now these owls are great for the garden. They're $9.99 and it does have this wobble head. Honestly, the head kind of freaks me out, but they are there to protect your garden and to scare off any other birds. And then these little pots are ginormous. First of all, I love the colors in them. So they had 4 different colors, I believe. Yeah, so the bright blue, the white, green, and gray. And I do love these window bird feeders. So these are only $6.99, again, made by that Balavi brand. But it's really nice to be able to watch the birds eat. You can stick it right to your window, which I thought was really great. And then for $3.99, they had these Garden Line cocoa plant support sticks. They had 2 different kinds. So they had a larger one that stood alone at 26.7 in height. And then they also had a 2-pack, which included 11.8 inches in height. And so you can either use the tall one for a taller plant, or you can use the 2 shorter ones for a shorter plant. And of course, where would you be without your professional garden pruners? And these are only $5.99, so you'll definitely want to snag some of these if you're a gardener, because I can't tell you how many times I've broken these. But these felt very, very sturdy, and I would definitely grab a pair. But guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want me to continue to make videos just like this one, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, I'll see you on the next Aldi haul. Thanks so much.